go. Hi, I'm Lily Ann Carey.
I'm Claire Carey.
And we are working on, we're the 5th week of 6 in our intermediate advanced Foxtrot class.
So the first roughly half of the things we did in this class.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to show a few of those and see if we can catch those. And if you'll know, our basic from the beginning class was a slow, slow, quick, quick. Now what we want to do is we want to start playing with those elements. So, one of the first ones, of course, in the beginning class, we went slow, slow, quick, quick. We also went slow, 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 slow. Still do that.
Great.
But then we amped it up. We said, let's go quick, 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 quick. Notice that Claire is continuing to go. She's bouncing off my hand. I'm sending her away, and she's going all the way to that position. So bouncing off, quick, quick. We also said if you're going to rotate this, because several of you did, that remember you're going to keep your partner right in front of you, right?
We also talked about the fact that if you're going from those lovely languid slows to those little quick hesitations, that we're going to go from a little bit, consistent frame to a little bit more tone, a little bit more rubberiness and bounciness, so that follows can add that in, and we can more comfortably bounce off the connection.
So, some of the things we did is we went forward and back, quick, 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 quick. We could go slow, slow. We go to the other foot, quick, 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 quick. And then we said on a little side break, we would just do a push-off. We wouldn't take our weight all the way over. We would just do a little side push-off.
A note and a note.
And a slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick. So any of those will work, right? And I encourage you to listen to the music and go, ooh, I can play with the music in my frame and with my partner. Okay, then we also had all sorts of extensions. So from just our normal slow, slow, quick, quick, we could go quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. So we can go back and forth. Those slows and those quicks are arbitrary, right? So I can do a few on this side, a few on the other side, but at some point I may get stuck, and I may have to hold my partner over here to get ready to start on count one.
Or maybe do some of those lovely slows and back.
That's right. So keep in mind, you really can't totally mess it up unless you don't take your partner with you, right? All right, then we played with the rhythm. We played with slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. So we could start off from our basic slow, slow, quick, quick, rotate slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow.
There's our side together.
Right, so then we can go back to our slow, slow, quick, quick.
We really talked about leads utilizing their core and utilizing that lovely rotation in the upper body. We thought about sliding our hands across a tabletop. And she's going to think about bringing me over that foot she's about to step and then stepping comfortably. We're not having to try to get that. We're thinking about really rotating the chest, quick, rotating the chest. We also talked about the fact that for follows, I could do a side together and that would be lovely, but if I'm going to really continue that linear energy, there's my side together, I'll actually probably do a little side cross, which actually gives me this lovely swishy feeling that I really enjoy.
And really it's going to depend on how much latitude your lead gives you as they rotate.
And how much travel we take on that quick.
Then we're going to do one more for this video. And it's a little step through. It's one of my favorite ones.
It's cute.
It takes a minute to get for some folks, but oh, so worth it. So if I was just to walk it with no bounce, no nothing, it would be slow, slow. And now I'm going to need to bring her shoulder in and do a quick, quick.
Kind of like what just happened before.
Right. And now I'm going to step forward, slow, slow, quick, quick. But it turns out that there's a little bounce. Bum, bum. Slow, slow. Here's your push. There's your push from your right foot. And quick, quick.
We noticed that we weren't going slow, quick. We were going slow and slow. And we're going to use that little gap in between
Slow, she doesn't really have a lot of notice,
there we go.
right? And then we'll add to the video next week our grapevines.
Awesome.
All right, that is 1 of 2. We'll do 2 of 2 next week.
Great job,
Thanks,
guys.
everyone.
Yay!
All right.
All right.